You can't go wrong with this cute style by David Tate in your closet this summer. It features a leather upper with a round toe silhouette and zipper closures on each side for easy slip-on. These shoes have a very cute and casual look that would go well with some skinny jeans and your favorite blouse when you're out on the town. There is a textile interior with a cushioned collar for comfort and a removable footbed that is cushioned with deep heel cups, giving you maximum comfort throughout the day. The midsole has a very sturdy build with reinforced stitching for durability, and you'll get about a 1-inch boost in height from the heel at the back. It's all on top of a textured synthetic outsole.